Welcome to Wednesdays with Weingartz. I'm Ron Weingartz. Today I'm here to talk about the new Boss Scout stand-on skid steer plow. The Scout takes off the legendary performance of the original Snowrator and the mag. So Boss came out with the original Snowrator for high production sidewalk clearing, and then they built on that with the mag, more powerful machine that will accommodate a lot of different attachments. But a lot of people just needed a basic machine. So what they did with the Scout is on the same design as the regular Snowrator, but it's a little narrower stance, a little more compact. It's a little more agile machine. So if you have those narrower sidewalks, this is going to work better on those sidewalks. It actually gives you a little higher ground speed than the Snowrator. Now, I should point out that this is strictly a plow, so you cannot add any salters to it. Where the standard Snowrator comes standard with the liquid brine tank, this doesn't have a tank and there's nothing available. So this is strictly a plow. But if you have use for that, it's a great value because they're able to kind of shave some of those costs out of being able to accommodate those attachments. But it's still powered by the same 14 horsepower Kohler engine, the same responsive hydraulics with very high blade lift. So if you need to, kind of stack the snow, you're able to do that. And the quick response for right to left. So it really rounds out the lineup very nicely. It's very simple, but still the same good visibility, great ground speed, just kind of a basic, simple machine for doing, especially those smaller walks, but it doesn't have to be for smaller walks. This will still handle those big tasks, but doesn't have the attachments available as some of the other machines. So take a look at the Snowrator Scout. It may fit right into your lineup. These are all very productive machines. When you're out there, you need to get the job done for clearing snow. Definitely this rounds out the complete lineup of Boss stand-on skid steer plows. Stop in and take a look. Thanks for listening today.
Weingartz, everything.